Good morning from Dartmoor. Are you looking for a wild camp location here in Dartmoor with stunning views? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you where to park and how to get here to West Mill Tor. It is a perfect spot for your wild camp. I'm starting the walk from Oakhampton train station, and you can park at the back of the station for free of charge. Plus, being a station, there's obviously a train here from Exeter. You can also get buses from Launceston, Bude, Holsworthy and Tavistock. From the entrance of the train station, if you walk left and then turn left under the tunnel, after the tunnel, you'll head straight up with the station to your left hand side. Just a little way up from the tunnel, you'll see this gate, the pathway to Dartmoor. When you reach this signpost, take a right. Once you're over the flyover, say goodbye to the traffic. Hello to Dartmoor. Once you're through that gate, take a right turn and follow the track. Keep the tree line on your left and continue uphill. Soon you'll reach a gate. From there, follow the road, but first of all, take a moment to enjoy the breathtaking views of Oakhampton behind you. Following this road, on the right hand side you've got the military camp. Beyond that is 3 tours. The first tour is a road tour. We're going to head around road tour to the middle tour, which is our camp spot for the night, West Mill Tor, and beyond that is Yes Tor. Eventually, you'll come to a fork in the road. You want to bear right here. And right again at the next fork. The forecast for today is sunshine all day, apart from between about 4 and 6, and it's now 4 o'clock. And it's forecast a possible chance of rain, and there's a few black clouds around, look at that. So it might rain, but tonight is forecast more cloudy, and tomorrow morning forecast some cracking sunshine. So fingers crossed for a sunrise. Right, let's keep going up this hill. Actually, talking about hills, I should maybe confess that coming here is almost uphill all the way here. But the good news tomorrow morning, when you pack away, is downhill going back. This is road tour to our right. Now, straight ahead is West Mill Tor, our camp for the night. And there's 2 options here. You can either be brave and walk straight up, or take the more leisurely walk to the left and walk up and around to the top, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, I've gone for the crazy choice. I'm heading straight up after all. It's a good workout. It'll be good exercise, he said. Idiot. Once you reach a tour, have a wander around. You literally spoil up a choice of where to put your tent. I've chosen my spot just over there. So it's time to put a tent up. that's it. I'm all set up for the night. It's a bit windy today, so luckily the Tor is sheltering me from the wind. And as always, my tent is set up facing the east. So when I wake up in the morning, if it's a sunrise, I open the tent and sit there with a coffee and enjoy the view. What an incredible, unexpected sunset. It's casting a warm orange glow over the Tors. What a cracking bonus that was tonight, that sunset. Wow. I'm back in the tent now. I'll get myself ready for bed in a minute. My alarm's set for 5 o'clock tomorrow morning because the sunrise is at 8 minutes past 5. And if it's not a sunrise, then I'll come back to bed and have an extra sleep. So I will say goodnight and see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. The kettle's on and the sun is just starting to peek over the horizon. It's going to be a cracking day. This really is a stunning location. It's sandwiched here between two cracking Tors. You've got Yes Tor over there, and right opposite you've got Road Tor just down here. And some fantastic views. Well, it's been a fantastic night. It's now time to pack away. There we go, perfect. And don't forget rubbish. As always, leave absolutely no trace when camping or walking on Dartmoor. Time to go. I've added 2 important links in the description below, which you should check if you're going camping on Dartmoor. The first is to the government website, which shows an interactive map showing where you can camp and where you can't camp. So it's worth checking if you're not sure of the area. The second is to the government website for the military firing ranges. There's 3 ranges on Dartmoor. There's this one, Oakhampton, Willsworthy and Murrayville. So you should check first of all to make sure they're not training on that day. Heading back to your car is actually quite easy. You'll see the road below the Tor. So just head down to that road and follow it the same way you came. The route today starts from Oakhampton train station over the A30, following the Army Road past the Road Tor and up and around to West Mill Tor for a camp. It's about 3.5 to 4 miles from where I parked to West Mill Tor. And if you follow this route, you might be a little bit disappointed to find that you can actually park quite close to it if you want to. It's one of those few Tors in Dartmoor where you can actually get quite close to. But that's not for me. I prefer to park up somewhere and then go and enjoy the ambience of Dartmoor with a walk of maybe 4, 5, 6, 7 miles and then camp. Coming along parking and camping next to our park doesn't appeal to me. But yeah, if you wanted to, so you could actually camp and park nearby here. What a fantastic adventure. I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it useful. And if this is your first ever wild camp and you're nervous, then I recommend watching this video. This was how you where to camp and how to get there, etc. But it's perfect for a first ever wild camp. You'll understand why when you watch a video. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and whatever you're doing, have a fantastic day. Until next time, cheers.